How's it going, YouTube? Matt here with a follow-up video to last night's bomb video. And, well, I guess I'll tell you what's happened in the time frame between yesterday and this morning. I ended up going to a co-worker's house and spending the night out there. They ordered an evacuation of half a mile of the surrounding area. Unfortunately, where I live is only 2 blocks away from the explosion. People are still gathered, seeing what's going on. Every news outlet is out here right now. Looks like they're interviewing someone right now. Yeah, and I've only been living in near downtown Prairie for about not even a week, and all this happens. So just unreal. They some people actually were evacuated and ended up having to spend the night at the YMCA and other places like that, churches and those types of places. What was really cool though was a lot of people in Sun Prairie stepped forward and volunteered to help. Really cool to live in such an area that has that strong sense of community. I also heard via Facebook that that one of the firefighters actually died trying to, I'm not sure exactly what he was doing, looking for people in the explosion or putting out the fire. I'm not exactly sure how it happened. So my thoughts and prayers are with his family right now. Otherwise, I am safe. Was able to make it out of my house and find a place to live, spend the night. So thanks again for watching, and if you are in Sun Prairie, stay safe. Looks like they got a drone they're going to set up, and think I'm going to go over there and take a look at it. So thank you again.